Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. As usual, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to head over to TipRanks TV for our after hours market recap, where you'll get up to speed on what's been going on throughout the day. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures have slipped to the red this morning after the release of Chinese economic data. Currently, the Dow futures are down 0.08%, S&P 500 futures down 0.25%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.36%. McDonald's is the latest corporation to pull out of Russia amidst the Ukraine invasion, ending their 30-year presence in the country. The fast food chain giant said in a statement that their position there is untenable after Russia invaded Ukraine earlier this year, causing a humanitarian crisis. They will sell their business in the country to a local buyer who won't be able to use the name McDonald's or their logo. Analysts currently rate the McDonald's stock a strong buy with an average upside of 14%. JetBLU has launched a hostile takeover of discount carrier Spirit Airlines. This comes after Spirit declined a previous bid of $3.6 billion earlier this month. In a statement, JetBLU said, given the Spirit Board of Directors' complete unwillingness to share the same necessary diligence information that was shared with Frontier, JetBLU is now offering to acquire Spirit for $30 per share in cash through a fully financed tender offer. This represents a 60% premium to the value of the Frontier transaction as of May 13th. They urged Spirit shareholders to vote against what they called the inferior, high-risk, and low-value Spirit Frontier transaction at Spirit's special meeting next month. The Spirit Airlines stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 60%. And in the latest Elon Musk and Twitter news, Elon let us know that Twitter's lawyers were not happy with him for breaking their non-disclosure agreement. Last week, Elon tweeted that the deal to purchase Twitter was on hold pending a fake account review. Apparently, this caught the lawyer's eyes, as he tweeted that Twitter legal just called to complain that I violated their NDA by revealing the bot check sample size is 100. He also advised followers on how to fix their Twitter feeds, saying that they may be being manipulated by the algorithm in ways they don't realize. The Twitter stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 28%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Take-Two Interactive and Tencent Music Entertainment, and later in the week we have some big retail names including Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, and Target. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Wix.com. They delivered better than expected revenue for the quarter, but missed on earnings. Their revenue increased 14% year over year to $341.6 million, outperforming the analyst estimates by $1.1 million. Their net loss per share came in at 72 cents though, which was much wider than the estimated 11 cents. Analysts currently rate the Wix stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 76%. We also heard from Monday.com, who came out with better than expected results for their first quarter and improved 2022 revenue guidance. They reported a loss of 96 cents per share, better than the estimated loss of $1.02 per share, on revenue of $108.5 million, better than the $101.4 million expected. They're now expecting 2022 revenue of $488 to $492 million, when their previous guidance was $470 to $475 million. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 126%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Carvana after they outlined their expense reduction plan and layoffs in an investor presentation filed late on Friday. Under the ticker CVNA, their stock is up about 13%. They're followed by Molina Healthcare under MOH, up 10%, and Mantech under MANT, also up over 10%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Wix following their earnings report. Under the ticker WIX, their stock is down over 12%. They're followed by Clinigen's Holdings under the ticker NUTX, down 6%, and Quidel under the ticker QDEL, down about 5.5%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.